Did you know that AI-driven startups are raking in millions, and some of them are barely a few years old? In this fast-paced world of innovation, it's clear, AI isn't just the future, it's here, and it's generating incredible wealth. But how can you tap into this booming industry? How do you build your own success in the AI space, just like these startups? Let's break it down and explore exactly how AI-driven startups are making millions, and how you can start making money with AI too. Imagine this. You've got an idea, a burning passion to solve a problem, and you've realized that AI can be the answer. Sounds like a recipe for success, right? Well, it is. But it's not just about having an idea. It's about how you harness AI to revolutionize industries, automate complex processes, and create scalable business models. That's exactly what today's AI-driven startups are doing. Take a look at OpenAI, for example. This startup began as an ambitious research project and quickly turned into one of the most valuable AI companies in the world. Its breakthrough product, GPT, is reshaping everything from customer service to content creation. And the revenue? It's soaring. But what exactly is behind that success? First, AI startups capitalize on automation. Let's talk about this. Automation isn't just about making processes faster, it's about making them smarter. Take healthcare startups leveraging AI to analyze medical images. With AI, they're not just automating the process of reading X-rays, they're improving accuracy, reducing human error, and scaling care to millions more people. In 2023, the global AI healthcare market was valued at over $10 billion and is projected to grow at an astounding rate. These startups are capturing significant portions of that market by building scalable AI solutions that save money and improve outcomes. Here's where things get interesting. AI-driven startups are capitalizing on data, and that's how they're pulling in the big bucks. They're not just collecting data. They're using AI to turn that data into actionable insights, which businesses can then use to refine marketing strategies, predict customer behavior, and streamline operations. Think about startups in the finance industry, like Wealthfront or Betterment, which use AI to manage billions of dollars in assets. These platforms leverage AI to optimize investment portfolios based on individual risk profiles, making wealth management more accessible and efficient. But let's take a step back. If you want to make money with AI, it's not just about starting a business. It's about choosing the right AI applications for the right industry. One area that's thriving right now is AI-driven e-commerce. Startups are using AI to predict trends, automate customer interactions, and offer hyper-personalized shopping experiences. A company called Stitch Fix is a great example. They use AI to recommend clothes based on a customer's preferences, making the shopping experience more convenient and personal. Their use of AI is part of the reason they've scaled so rapidly. In fact, in their 2022 fiscal year, they reported over $2 billion in revenue. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, there are a few key steps to consider. 1. Choose the right problem to solve. Start by identifying industries or processes that can be improved through AI. The best AI startups focus on solving real-world problems, not just creating cool tech. Are there gaps in healthcare, logistics, or customer service? Find an area where AI can truly add value. 2. Learn the basics of AI. You don't need a PhD, but having a solid understanding of AI fundamentals is essential. Whether it's machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision, familiarize yourself with how these technologies work and their applications. There are countless resources out there. Take advantage of free online courses, books, or even mentorships from AI experts. 3. Find your niche. As with any startup, success lies in finding your niche. Don't try to compete with the giants. Focus on a specific problem in a specific industry that AI can address. Think about things like automating manual tasks, improving accuracy, or predicting outcomes in ways that were previously impossible. 4. Leverage existing AI tools. Building AI models from scratch can be daunting, so don't reinvent the wheel. Many startups are leveraging pre-built AI models and platforms. Google's TensorFlow, Microsoft's Azure AI, and IBM's Watson are just a few tools that allow you to build sophisticated AI applications without starting from scratch. 5. Monetize your AI solution. The key to making money with AI is understanding how to monetize your solution. Are you offering a SaaS product? Or maybe a subscription service? AI startups often charge for access to their software, offer premium services, or use a freemium model to attract customers. Be clear about how you'll generate revenue from your product. One startup that's doing this really well is the AI-based cybersecurity company Darktrace. They've used AI to create self-learning systems that detect and prevent cyber threats in real time. Their AI system learns and adapts constantly, making it more effective as time goes on. Darktrace went public in 2021 with a market value of over $2 billion. The secret to their success? They've found a niche, cybersecurity, and leveraged AI to create an unparalleled solution for businesses around the globe. It's not all smooth sailing, though. The startup world is filled with competition, and building an AI-driven company comes with its challenges. AI models can be expensive to develop, data privacy is a growing concern, and there's always the risk that a bigger player could come along and disrupt your business. So how do you navigate these challenges? First, be prepared for the long haul. AI startups often take years to develop their products and see significant returns. Patience is key, but so is building a solid foundation. If you're in the early stages, focus on building a strong team, securing funding, and creating a scalable product. Partnerships can also help you build credibility and gain access to larger networks of potential customers, but the payoff can be huge. The global AI market is expected to surpass $190 billion by 2025, with AI-driven startups positioned to capture a significant portion of that. Whether you're in health tech, fintech, e-commerce, or cybersecurity, there's massive potential. So how do you get in on this action? Start small, focus on solving real problems, and don't be afraid to experiment with new AI tools. With the right strategy, you too can build a profitable AI-driven startup and join the ranks of those making millions. Which part of the AI startup journey excites you most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful financial insights. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Want to dive deeper into how to build your AI-driven startup? Click the next video on screen.